Hi guys, here I am Kabin with YottaCube. I'm back again with my next video. In this video, I will show you how we can set the format of the numbers to millions, billions or thousands according to the requirement. The requirement might be different according to the situation. Sometimes we want to see the numbers as thousand and sometimes as a billion. What happens and by default here is if we choose the format of numbers as billion, then it will show 1000 as 0.00 billion or something like that. Here in this video I will show you how we can dynamically change or set the format of those numbers according to our requirement. So to do that, now let's go through Power BI. To set the format of the numbers to millions, thousands or billions, before I used if function, but later on I found another method to do that more efficiently. So in this video I will show both the ways of changing the format of the numbers using a calculation measure. And now let's have a look into it. Basically what happens is we can also do that using the Power BI feature, but what happens is we can either change it to million or a billion or thousand single format at once. But what if we want to see different format in the same column like this? In that case, how we can do that, I will explain you in this video. Here first I will explain how I have done this before using the if function. While using the if function, what I have done is I have compared the value with 10,000, 100,000 or 10 million, 100 million or something like that. Okay, here what I have done is if total value is greater or equals to 100 billion, or total value greater or equals to 10 billion or total value greater or equals to 1 billion, then we will set the format of total values to decimal place billion. And if that is greater or equals to 100 million, 10 million or 1 million, then we will set that as million. And similarly for thousands, and if it is less than 1000, we will simply show it as it is. We will not change any formatting for those values. I have used this method before and it works perfectly fine and there is no issue at all. I will show you here. Just drag the calculator measure here and now look at it. If it is less than 1000, then it shows as it is. It will not change any formatting. If it is between the 1000 range, from 1000 to 100,000, then it will show as 100k or 10k or 1k. Okay, like this. And if it is between the range of million, it will show as million, and as in the range of billion, it will show as billion. Simply we can do that using this. And now I will explain you how we can do this using next method, which I felt more efficient. In this method, what we will be doing is we will use log10 DAX function to count the number of zeros we have in a number. Okay, here what I have done is format total value and use a switch statement to switch between the values. Okay, if log10 of total value, that means the number of zeros in total values is 0, 1 or 2, then do nothing, just display the value as it is. If number of zeros is between 3 and 5, then display in the thousand format. Okay, and if it is between 6 and 8, display it in million format, and similarly if it is between 9 and 11, display it in billion format. We can similarly do that for a trillion format as well, but in this video I am showing it up to billion only. We have done this, and if you are confused what I have done this here, I will explain this. Simply any format before the semicolon, it is for positive number, and the format after the semicolon, it is for negative number. Okay, nothing difficult. It's just simple and easy to understand. And now I will use this calculated measure in the table. Just simply use this, and it's exactly the same value I have calculated using the if statement. There is nothing different. It is the same, but just I am using the different method. Here I have taken the two decimal precision, whereas in here I have taken 1 decimal precision. It is simply just changing the number of zeros after the decimal place in this format. Similarly, we can drag this value in here and so up to 2 decimal place. It is exactly same as using if function. Okay, but here in this calculation measure, what happened is it is working perfectly fine for the positive numbers. What if I take the negative numbers? If I take the negative number, it will display some error. Yeah, what is happening here is we are trying to take the log of negative number. So what we will do in next step is we'll just simply take the log of a positive number and then use the exact negative number for formatting. Then it will resolve the issue. To do that, I have created a measure here. This is for using if. I'm just using the absolute function here for while comparing the values with 1000, 10,000. Here what happened is when I select the negative number, there occurs an error. When the error occurs, it display nothing. But I want to display if any error occurs, I want to display it it as it is without changing any format. So what I have done is, if any error occurs, then just simply choose 0 and display as it is without changing any format. And other than that, to resolve the issue of taking log of negative number, what I have done is before taking the log of the value, I am using the absolute function so that we will be taking the log of only the positive value, and later on use the original number to change the format. Okay, I have just used 2 more function here. If error, then simply use 0, and another is take the absolute value of values so that we can calculate the log of negative number as well. Okay, then what happens in here is if I select the negative number as well, there won't be any problem. It simply shows negative. You might be confused. I have used the formatting where a negative number is represented by bracket, or we can change this format easily. Just change the format in here. Instead of using the bracket here, just simply use minus sign there. I'm just showing it for few numbers only. Yeah, now you can see here other values, they are in bracket, but here it is showing the negative sign. In this way, we can simply change the set the format of numbers so that it is more readable for the users. Okay, simply it is difficult for us to identify either it is million or billion easily looking into it, but using this method we can change the format to more readable form. Just now we can simply say 59.4 billion or simply something like that. Okay, that is it. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Alright, how fruitful this video was for you in the comment section below. Also like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for new video updates. In my next video, I will show you how we can change the format of currency dynamically, like USD to Nepalese currency or USD to Euro and something like that. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.